Welcome to the Ultimate Pattern Builder Indicator Guide, where I will show you how to test any pattern for binary options mode. Idea is to analyze in which direction will next candle go after candlesticks pattern is formed. For this purpose, you can use my expert advisor's strategy tester. Detailed guide of how to use it is already available. So I will just focus on this binary option test. Of course, you can apply such tests for ordinary forex trading as well. First, let's set a date range that won't be too long and not too short for this testing. So I took 1 month period, Euro-USD pair and 5-minute time frame. Before you build pattern, it's important to set trading settings right, otherwise you might get incorrect result. First is entry position. I suggest that you set either market buy or market sell. If you distance entry position too far from the tagged pattern, then it might not reach entry at all, and if it doesn't reach, then such pattern is not registered at the report. Next is lot size. Here only problem can be if you set it too big, and EA test run out of money. So go safe and set 0.01 fixed lot size. Stop loss. Generally, setting inner stop loss with size 1 is not a problem, but if pattern is very small, then it might not be detected at all. So I suggest to choose point system and go with 10 points, which is 1 pip and is perfectly suitable for any test. Same is with take profit. Better go with point system and 10 value. If you take too big take profit, it might never reach it and trade won't count. So that's it regarding trading scenario options. Just one more thing. Keep spread small, smaller than take profit or stop loss. First I will show you how to test binary options strategy with one candle. For this we need to set signal 1 and candle 1 activated. For my first candle, I will compare body to average 100 and choose bullish greater than 100% of that average. And now start the test. We actually just want to see number of trades. In other words, number of detected patterns. Total trades or number of pattern occurrence is 573. Now we need to compare this number to our desired direction of next candle. Let's head back and choose direction of this binary options simulation. We need to keep candle 1 as it is and focus on candle 2. So first choose signal 2 and enable candle 2. Since binary option can go up or down, choose bullish or bearish. For this testing, I picked bearish. In binary options, you need minimal difference in your favor. So you should set range to find any candle, best to choose between. It's true that technically body could also be set greater than 0, because dodges can't be found when using bearish or bullish direction. I will use between. But for wicks it has to be between 0 and very high value, because setting greater than 0 won't find candle with 0 wicks. Let's see what number of trades we get in this scenario. Now we have 284 trades. That means out of 573 trades we would enter as bearish after our pattern occurs, we would win 284 times. But what happens if we enter in bullish direction after first candle pattern? Now we got 281 trades. So bearish was 284, bullish is 281. If we sum this up, we get 565 trades out of 573. 8 trades are therefore dodges. Let's move to 2 candle pattern, which we actually already have. I will keep existing settings for candle 2 and test binary options on it. To simulate binary options with 2 candle pattern, we need to search for signal 3. Like for candle 2, choose same options again, between 0 and very high value for body and wicks, and I suggest to compare all to average. Here is our result of 2 candle pattern binary option testing. Number of trades in bearish direction is 143 out of 281. If we choose bullish direction for binary options, we get 135 trades out of 281. With 143 bearish, that means 3 dodges. I will again keep these settings of candle 3 and test it for binary. So we have now 3 candle pattern. To test this, we need to choose signal 4. For this testing, I designed special parameter for candle 4. You can only choose direction and value of body. Direction option looks the same as for all previous candles, while body value is named a bit differently, and it uses point system. Since we want to find any candle without dodges, it's enough to insert value of 1 point. So it will find body with at least 1 point. And final result of our binary options testing. For bullish direction we got 58 wins out of 135. If we choose bearish for 4th candle, we get 77 trades out of 135. With 58 bullish, that means 0 dodges. And that's it. With this expert advisor, you can test binary options as well. I hope it will be useful for you.